Hello, welcome to the world of energy. I am your host, the Anonymous Sirg. So let's begin our today's lesson. Energy is what makes things move, light up, and change. It comes in many forms, like the power of a rocket or the spark in a light bulb. Energy is all around us and even inside us. Let's discover how energy shapes our amazing world. Fun fact: the sun gives Earth more energy in 1 hour than the whole world uses in a year. First up, the energy of motion. This is called kinetic energy. The faster or heavier something is, the more kinetic energy it has. Now, a waiting kind of energy, potential energy. Potential energy is stored energy. It can convert into kinetic energy when released. As a coaster climbs, it stores more and more potential energy. At the top, potential energy is at maximum. Then whoosh, it converts into kinetic energy as it races down. Up the next hill, kinetic changes back into potential. This switch is what makes coasters so exciting. Anything moving has kinetic energy, and anything positioned to move can store potential energy. Next, other forms of energy you feel every day: heat and electricity. Let's explore thermal and electrical energy. Have you ever sat by a warm campfire or felt the sun on your skin? Thermal energy is heat from moving atoms and molecules. The faster they move, the hotter the object feels. Add thermal energy with a stove or microwave. The water inside moves faster and pressure builds. Pop! Thermal energy made a tasty treat. Electrical energy is carried by moving electrons. When they flow through a wire, that's electric current. We use it to power lights, TVs, and computers. A flashlight has batteries storing chemical energy. Flip the switch and electrons flow through a circuit, converting electrical energy into light and thermal energy. It's a brilliant chain reaction. Next up, chemical energy. Now, an energy hidden inside things. Chemical energy. It's stored in the bonds of atoms and molecules. Reactions rearrange bonds and release energy. Food stores chemical energy. Your body releases it to run, jump, and think. Calories measure that chemical energy. Nuclear energy is stored in the atom's nucleus. It can be released two ways: fusion and fission. Immense power from a tiny amount of material. In the sun's core, hydrogen fuses into helium, releasing energy as light and heat. That energy travels through space to reach Earth. When you feel the sun's warmth, that's nuclear energy. Isn't that incredible? So why does all this matter? We've zipped through kinetic, potential, thermal, electrical, chemical, and nuclear energy. It's been quite a ride. Energy makes our world go round. From tiny reactions to cosmic explosions, understanding energy helps us solve real problems. How do we power cities and warm our homes, design faster cars and efficient airplanes? Knowledge of energy is the key to progress. Some energy sources can harm the environment. By choosing cleaner energy like solar and wind, we can power our world wisely. Next time you flip a switch, eat a snack, or run, think about the energy involved. Stay curious. The world of energy is your world. Now go get energized. Signing off. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and share this video with your friends and family. Also follow us on Instagram, and other social media platform links are given in description.